Hello friends, welcome to Gardening with Nitin. In this quick video, I am going to show you how to plant a pole bean in container. I am using 5-gallon bucket for it. Let's dig into it. For my potting soil, I am using peat moss as a base. That will be 10 part of peat moss, 1 part of perlite and 1 part of vermiculite. This is how your potting soil will look like after mixing 10 part of peat moss, 1 part of perlite and 1 part of vermiculite. So whenever I plant something in a bucket, I always go and buy a bucket which says food grade safe. So I don't want anything leaching out in the vegetable. If you are planting any flowers and something, then any plastic will do. The first thing is we need to do a drainage hole which is about 2 inch from the bottom. So the hole is done. Now let's fill it up with the potting mix. So fill the bucket till 1/3 with the potting soil. Pole beans like a pH of around 6, and this soil mixture has a pH of around 4 to 4.5. So we need to add some lime to compensate the pH. So I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of garden lime. And now it's time to add some more fertilizer. So I'm going to use fish bone meal, that is 1/3 cup, and this all purpose fertilizer, that is 1/4 cup. For my watering need, I always use Ollas. If you need to know how I make Ollas and all about Ollas, then click on the link which is coming on your screen. I'm going to place the Olla in the center. Just wanted to make sure that this is little up, about an inch from top. And then add more potting soil. Let it soak for a few minutes. So now the soil is soaked, so I'm going to cover it with a plastic cover. I always try to cover it with plastic so that it will work as a mulch, and also there will be less chances for weeds. So before planting pole bean, I need to put the stakes. So these are 6 feet bamboo stakes. pole bean will require these stakes to climb upon. Now I'm going to cut some holes for planting the pole beans. Make some space, move the potting mix on the side. So I planted my pole beans in milk jug in winters. So I guess 2 plants are healthy, 1 plant is not so healthy, but I'm gonna plant it. It's green. If it's not like come up in a week or 2, then I'm gonna remove it. This is all done. So this is the one pole bean completed. And I did make a TP structure from the stakes, and this is the one I have my peas, and these are not bamboo, these are my last year okra plant. So these are stakes from the okra plant, dried stakes from the okra plant. If you like this video, then please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the like button so that you will notified for upcoming gardening videos. God bless you all.